Enhanced User Tasks is a product designed to expand on the functionality offered in Business Central by providing users with the ability to assign tasks, relate them to any specific record in the system, and much more. This is a great tool for setting reminders about important tasks and storing information for other users to pick up, as well as giving deadlines and matching to data already in the system. You're easily able to create a task for a contact or any other similar type of record in Business Central by navigating to the contact list. Locate the contact you'd like to add a task for. In the fact box to the top right of the page, click User Tasks and then Create New. In the new page that opens, enter a subject and a description. By default, the task assigns itself to your user, but you can easily change this to someone else. Enter the date to start the task and the due date. Tasks can also be given a priority, which is useful for sorting at a later date. The final Fast tab will have autofilled with a contact name and number. Close the page and your task will be saved. It's also possible to create a task for documents, such as orders, quotes and more. Navigate to the document on which you would like to assign a task. Some information will have been autofilled, depending on what details were already in that particular document. There will also be a record table and description containing details on the document. The final piece of information to add is the page on which to display the document. For example, add sales order to the lookup page if your document is a sales order. When it comes to reviewing and progressing tasks, Business Central often has a queue on the Role Centre to show you your personal tasks to complete. Reviewing tasks related to records is simple too. Tasks for you to complete are in the Enhanced Information FactBox and are highlighted in bold. Only incomplete tasks will show here. If you wish to view completed tasks, click the grid icon to see the full list. Within a task, you can click Process in the ribbon to find buttons that directly link to the records used in that task, allowing you to see key information about the person you are calling or details of a quote, for example. As you complete some or all of a task, you should increment the amount in percentage field. Once this number reaches 100%, the task will no longer be shown on queues or in the Enhanced Information Fact box. Alternatively, you can simply use the Mark as Completed button in the Process section of the ribbon. Thanks for watching. If you'd like any more information on our enhanced products, feel free to contact us using the form at the end of this video.